Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2003 ECE paper, and the topic is related to digital circuits. Look at the circuit shown. The circuit shown in the figure is a 4-bit D2A converter, digital to analog converter. The input bits 0 and 1 are represented by 0 volts or 5 volts respectively. The op amp is ideal, but all the resistances and the 5 volt inputs have a tolerance of plus or minus 10%. The specification rounded to the nearest multiple of 5% for the tolerance of DAC is. What is the tolerance of DAC? If the resistances are going to be having plus or minus 10% tolerance, as well as 5 volt battery is going to be having a plus or minus 10% tolerance. Op amp is going to be having ideal. Okay, this ADC is going to be treated as weighted resistor ADC. This is going to be called as weighted resistor ADC, weighted resistor DAC, weighted resistor DAC, and it is 4-bit implies nothing but this will be treated as this is connected to the B3 and it is B2, B1, B0. So B3, B2, B1, B0 are going to be switches depending on their values. Okay, they may be connected to reference voltage or they may be connected to ground. If B3 B is equal to B3 or B2, B1, B0, whatever it is, if B is equal to 1 at that time, that corresponding node connects to, okay, that corresponding node connects to V reference. Okay, otherwise if B is equal to 0, that corresponding nodes connects to 0 volts, that is nothing but ground. So depending on the B3, B2, B1, B0 values, that corresponding resistors may be connected to V reference or may be connected to the ground. Okay, so based on this one we can write the expression for V0. Okay, this is what V0 in terms of these resistances and bits along with reference voltage. We can write the equation in this way. V0 is equal to, okay, I am writing here, V0 is equal to minus VR times of RF by, this is RF, we can assume RF divided by R into B3 plus RF divided by 2R into B2 plus RF divided by RF divided by 4R into B1 plus RF divided by 8R into B0. This is what you are going to get. And since RF is equal to R, okay, you can take RF by R common. So V0 can be written in this way. V0 is equal to minus VR into RF by R, you can take common, and this will be treated as B3 plus B2 by 2 plus B1 by 4 plus B0 by 8, and B3, B2, B1, B0 are either may be 0 or 1. So the entire will be treated as, this is going to be giving rise to constant. So you can write the expression as minus VR into RF divided by R. R is nothing but, RF is nothing but R itself. We can write in, okay. So we can write it as minus VR minus VR into RF. RF is nothing but R only in this case, R by R into something as constant. Constant doesn't have any tolerance. Tolerance is available only with resistance and power supply, 5 volts battery. So VR is having tolerance, R is having tolerance, and tolerance of each is plus or minus 10%. So worst case tolerance we are going with. Okay, so worst case tolerance, the maximum tolerance is nothing but, okay, so of V0 is equal to, okay, we remove this minus because we are only considering the tolerances, we are not going with the magnitude. Tolerance is nothing but change in the output change in the values. So VR, so maximum tolerance we are going with. Okay, maximum tolerance is nothing but numerator may change by plus 10% and denominator may change by the minus 10%. So by that time you can think in this way, numerator is going to be changing with 10% extra, that is nothing but plus 10%. So you can say it as 1.1. 1.1 is nothing but 10% more than the required. And R value, this R is also having plus or minus 10. So numerator to get more tolerance, okay, we are going for the R is changing, so that R is changes by plus 10%. And the new denominator R, if you change take it as plus 10%, at that time you will get the tolerance less. So if you take minus 10% for the denominator, you will get the maximum 10% maximum tolerance. So you must consider the denominators with negative tolerance, numerators with positive tolerance. So positive tolerance is 1.1 into 1.1 divided by 0.9. So it will be around, the value is going to be around 0.35, that is nothing but 35%. 0.35 you will get, which is nothing but approximately 35% plus or minus. So the tolerance is going to be, the tolerance of this DAC is around plus or minus 35%. Thank you.